Oh my god. Where is my watch time and views? Has someone stolen? No. Wait. Today, I am going to show you how to solve watch time and views are decreasing in your YouTube channel. First of all, go to your channel. Select the Analytics tab. Look at here, watch time, views, and subscriber. Now, you just change this one option, last 28 days to lifetime. Now, everything will come back. Look at here, watch time, views, and subscriber came back again. Now, solved your problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.